Is your Windows 11 laptop charging straight to 100% and you want to stop it to protect your battery? You can limit the charge, or at least get a warning before it goes too high, and I'll show you the fastest way right now. This works on any Windows 11 laptop, no extra apps needed. One thing to be clear up front, this method creates a battery warning, not a hard stop. Windows itself doesn't fully block charging unless your laptop manufacturer adds that feature. But this still helps you unplug at the right time and reduce battery wear. Click the Windows icon and type Power Options, then open it. If you're in the right place, you'll see your current power plan. This next step is where most people click the wrong thing, so watch closely. Click Change Plan Settings next to your active plan. Then select Change Advanced Power Settings. If the Advanced Settings window pops up, you're exactly where you need to be. Scroll all the way down until you see Battery. Click the small plus icon to expand it. If you don't see Battery at all, don't worry, I'll explain why in a second. Under Battery, expand Reserve Battery Level. Now click Plugged In and change the percentage to your preferred limit, for example, 80%. This means Windows 11 will warn you when the battery hits that level while charging. Before you click anything else, double-check the number. This is the most common mistake. Click Apply, then OK. If everything worked, Windows will notify you when your battery reaches that percentage while plugged in. That's your cue to unplug. Quick recap. You opened Power Options, edited the active power plan, went into Advanced Settings, and set a custom reserve battery level. When you see a warning at your chosen percentage, the setup is working. If this option is missing or not working, your laptop manufacturer may lock battery limits behind their own software, like Lenovo Vantage, Dell Power Manager, or Asus Utilities. In that case, check the manufacturer's app for a true charge limit feature. If this helped you out, please subscribe. It really helps me out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.